Well, good afternoon, YouTube. It's like 3 in the afternoon. It's April 26, 2025. It's Saturday. I'm trying to go for a ride. I did a spoke maintenance and spoke replacement brake video this morning. It was just supposed to be brakes, but I saw 2 broken spokes, so I fixed them. And then as I was reinflating my tire, I noticed there's a hole in my tire, but I have flat out in there, so I rolled the tire under and let the flat out fill up the hole. It seems to be holding air, but I'm like, I don't know. I gotta sit on the bike and see if it's actually, because when I put pressure on it, it feels like the tire feels kind of low. I can't tell, man. So I think I'm just gonna ride around here for the time being just to see what happens. If it starts to go flat, that way I can come home. Then I just won't be going for a ride today, which might be just as well because it is kind of raining a little bit on and off. So I cinched up my cables, guys. I'll have to look at that when I get off the bike. I cinched up mostly, except for one I can't. I have one I have to let dangle because it needs slack. So let's see what happens. I'll know pretty much before I even leave the driveway if my tire's too low. And I'll be putting the bike away and fixing the flat tomorrow because I don't feel like dealing with it today. No, it feels pretty hard. Alright, well, shit. I'm just gonna ride over here, because if it's gonna go flat, my body weight will definitely push air out of the tube. So I don't know, it doesn't feel like it's accelerating very well. I'm gonna go up and around and come home. I can't tell if this tire's gonna hold air or not. Let me see. It definitely doesn't feel like it's accelerating right. Yeah, it's gotta be going flat. It's not holding enough air. Because it's fresh off charge, or it should be accelerating a lot faster. And it feels like it's going flat, so maybe I'll fix it right now. I don't know. Shit. This sucks. I can't tell. If I can't tell if it's going flat or not, I'm not going to chance it. Well, I was going to go for a ride, but when I was working on my tire, I found a hole, Mom. And I can't tell if it's going flat or not. Let me see. See if it feels any different. Maybe I just need to put some more air in it. Yeah, it feels squishy, man. You know what? I'm going to turn the bike off. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to put some air in it, just to see what it be. Okay. I'll know when I put the pump on if it's lost any air pressure. Alright guys, hopefully I can go for a ride today. Let me see where that hole was. It was over near the valve. Yeah, it's like there was flat out on it, but it already came off. It's starting to sprinkle too. And it's starting to get rained on. The cloud cover is like intermittent. It's not like consistent. It's like there's clear sky parts. Actually, no, it's pretty solid now. Never mind. It wasn't like this earlier. The sun was actually peeking out earlier. Oh yeah, it's all the way down to 21 psi. It's supposed to be at 40. My lens is getting rained on. That sucks. I'm gonna let it sit here and see if it starts losing pressure. Looks like it's gonna be okay. Whoa, that was a lot of air coming out of there. Let's see. I'm gonna roll it under again and see if I can't see the damn hole now. Where's the valve at? There it is. It's over here. There it is. I'm gonna roll it under and see if the flat out comes out again. Man, it sucks. So yeah, it definitely was low. I was definitely feeling the right thing. Let's see if the flat out's coming out of the tube here in a second. Yeah, I was just thinking I didn't shut the bike off. I'm like, Larry, you shut the bike off. It's cool. Let's see what happened. I'm gonna try spinning the tire. Oh my god, I'm actually pedaling my bike for once. Weird, right? God, that wheel is so warped. It matches its owner. It's really warped. I may not be able to go for a ride anyway. It's starting to rain a lot more. I don't see any flat out coming out of the hole. Yeah, I can't even ride. It's raining now. Shit. Oh well, fuck it, whatever. I guess somebody's gonna go inside and be an inside dickhead today. And I'll check this tomorrow and see if I'm losing pressure. Maybe if it stops raining in a little while, I'll try to go, but I don't know. It's raining pretty steadily right now. No, I'm not worried about my bike like shorting out or anything. It's just I don't want to be soggy right now. So, fuck. These drops are getting kind of fat feeling too. Guess I'm gonna go get something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat though. One of my teeth kind of hurts, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat right now. Whatever, shit happens. I can't even tell if it's losing pressure. I don't know, just wait till tomorrow and see, and I guess I'll be fixing my bike tomorrow. That means that's gonna piss me off though, because the flat out's not cheap. It's like $25 or something, or $25. It's more expensive than slime. It's supposed to work way better, but obviously it didn't work in this particular use case. Ooh, so yeah, awesome. Just gonna leave those like that. I'll plug my bike back in. Damn it. E-bike ride fail video. Where's my gloves? Did I leave them out there? Yeah, I did. I left them on the chair. This sucks. Oh man, I was feeling so good too. It's like the day I want to ride when I'm feeling really good. Well, with that, remember to be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thanks for hanging in there. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. Random viewers, consider subscribing. This is a rare occurrence for me. I don't usually start a ride and not be able to actually go for a ride because of drastic mechanical issues, but I know my luck. I should have realized it was probably going to be going flat when I got out here, but I gave myself the benefit of the doubt. So, yeah, that sucks. Oh well, guys. Remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next e-bike video that hopefully I'll be riding on the e-bike on. Okay, bye.